Students, today let us see priority of functional group. That is based on lyrics. I'll give you how to remember the functional group priority. Unless you know this functional group priority, you cannot numbering by naming the particular formula. The high number of bond in heteroatom has higher priority. You should note this a note now. So here I have written a C over H, carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid. H is a acid, main acid, and these are the derivatives of acid. C double bond O, C double bond O is a acid anhydride. C double bond O is a ester. COCl is a acid chloride. CONH2 is a amide. These are the acid derivatives. And here C triple bond N, N triple bond C. This is a triple bond. And CH double bond O, C double bond O, or I mean these two are aldehydes and ketone functional group. It carries double bond compounds, and OH alcohol, SH thioalcohol, and NH2 amines having single bond. So only O is the ether, and alkenes and alkynes. These are the priority by writing these. Now let us see the how we got a triple bond and double bond and single bond and all. So here first in first line I have written heteroatom means other than carbon and hydrogen atom. So here carboxylic acid C double bond O OH is a carboxylic acid formula. So other than carbon and hydrogen only we should calculate the bonds. So here double bond O and here single bond O. So totally 2 bond and 1 bond, 3 bond. Then acid derivative C double bond O Z. I mean it is acids. I mean what ester or it is acid chloride or amide acid halide, like that we can add. So apart from carbon and hydrogen, here a single bond and here double bond, totally 3 bond. Then nitrile C triple bond N carries nitrogen carries triple bond 3 bond. Then aldehyde CH double bond O. Other than carbon hydrogen it has only double bond 2 bond. And ketone C double bond O or. So here it is a double bond O. So what 2 bond? Alcohols, amines, halides contain CH2Z. So it has only 1 bond, single bond. So for 3 bond is more priority than 2 bond is more priority than a single bond. Out of acid and acid derivatives, carboxylic acid CH3 C double bond O OH is greater than C double bond O Z. So now we are going to see the congeners. Congener means one of many variants in common chemical structure. For example, carboxylic acid will have a variety of acid derivatives. Next, we will see the congeners. And functional group with the 3 bond, acid and their congener. So the C double bond O OH. Apart from carbon and hydrogen, we should calculate the heteroatom bonds. Here 2 bond and here 1 bond. So it is a 3 bond. Here a C sulfonic acid is double bond O, S double bond O, OH. SO3H is called sulfonic acid. Because sulfur has a many oxidation state compared to acid derivatives, sulfonic acid is the most preferable one. So now we are going to see this carboxylic acid, and this is acid derivatives, and among acid derivatives, sulfonic acid is a congener of carboxylic acid. Let us see that sulfonic acid and sulfenic acid. So carboxylic acid is a more priority than sulfonic acid and then acid derivatives. So why that carboxylic acid is a more prior than the sulfonic acid means carbon is a more preference than sulfur. So here sulfur is double bond O OH is called sulfonic acid. S double bond O OH is called sulfenic acid. And SOH is called sulfenic acid. This is Fi and this is Fe. Sulfenic acid, sulfenic acid, and phonic acid. Phonic acid, phenic acid, phenic acid. So C double bond O OH is greater than C triple bond N. So here the oxygen electronegativity is 3.5, nitrogen electronegativity is 3.0. So oxygen is more electronegative than the nitrogen. So what the COOH is more prior than the cyanide. It is called nitrile. So oxygen has higher electronegativity value than nitrogen. So higher electronegativity have the higher priority. Then functional group with the two bond. Aldehydes and ketone or contains two bonds. So CH double bond O here apart from carbon and nitrogen, we should consider only oxygen is linked with the two bonds. So C double bond O, and here this is R and CH3 like that. So what apart from these two, it is only double bond. So functional group with a single bond, alcohol and amines. So when you compare alcohol and amines, we should see only this oxygen and this nitrogen. The electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5, electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.0. So what more higher electronegative, higher priority. So alcohols are higher than amines, higher priority than amines. Next, priority decreases in acid derivatives, anhydride, ester, acid halide, amides. So anhydrates here double bond O and here O, it is a 3 bonds. And ester double bond O and single bond O 3. Double bond O and X 3. Double bond O and N 3. So all carries 3 3. But here anhydride I have written A and R. Ester R I have written R. And acid halide X I have written amide I have written N. So A orexin like that you remember. A for anhydride, R for ester, X for acid halide, N for amide. A orexin. Then amide congenol. The priority decreases in the hydrazine. C double bond O NH NH2 and imides and imidines. Imides NH C double bond O NH and imidines C double bond NH NH2. It is called hide-in. Hydrazine IDE emits imidine. It is IN. And amine congenol, that is imine CH double bond NH is called imine is greater than hydrazine CH2 NH NH2. Note when this H for hydrazine and IDE for emids and IN for imidines. These are the short terms to remember. Now functional group with the no preference only side chain. No preference for this ether, halides, nitro compounds, azo compounds means alkoxy, alkane. Why they are no priority means, no preference means, only side chain they are considered means alkoxy, alkane, alide, alkane, nitro, alkane, azo, alkane like that only we used to call. And functional group with the equal priority. Alkenes and alkynes, double bond and triple bond are equal priority. So consider according to the alphabetical order, double bond. E is a more preference than I. So decreasing priority in 3 bond, 2 bond and 1 bond. Carboxylic acid is first priority, sulfonic second priority, sulfonic and sulfenic and anhydride, ester, acid halide, amide. And next hydrazides, imides, imidines and nitriles. So that is called H-hide, hide-in. We can call it as a hide-in. H-I-D-E and in. In for imidines. Aldehydes and ketones, second bond. In first aldehyde is getting priority. Next only ketone is coming. Next single bond after aldehyde and ketone. First next priority is alcohols, amines, hydrazines. So carboxylic acid first priority and aldehyde second priority and ketone is a third priority, alcohol is the fourth priority because often we used to see carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone and alcohol. Then priority of functional group carboxylic acid COOH, sulfonic acid SO3H, acid anhydride C double bond O, C double bond O, ester C double bond O OR and acid halide COCl, amide CONH2, nitrile cyanide or isocyanide NC, aldehyde CHO, ketone C double bond O, alcohol OH. I mean in aliphatic alcohol, first we should write aliphatic alcohol and then only phenol. So the priority goes to alcohol, aliphatic alcohol is the first priority and second priority is phenol. Among alcohol, alcohol OH and thioalcohol is a second priority, and amine NH2 and arene C6H6 aromatic group. And among this alkene and alkyne, same priority only, but alphabetical order we should give E first priority and Y next priority. Then ether. So that is called a equal priority. I mean, it is not on the basis of a priority base. It gives only in a preference to the side chain. Oh. So ether and alkyl halide nitro compounds. Ether is the first, then alkyl halide, then NO2 nitro group, halogens, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, these halogens called X, and finally alkanes R. Next, the last division, we can write double bond, triple bond, single bond, ether, halides, and nitro compounds alone. Just we will see. That is called do, try, once, other, halima, and nitra. Yes, halima, just I have given name of do, die, trial, T, try, single bond once, and other means water, ether, halima, halides, nitra, nitro compounds. So halon and alcohol, that is halon, halogen, and alcohol is called alkene. So when we compare to halogen and alkanes, first priority to halogen, second priority to alkanes. So now just simply I'm given the lyrics of division. Here our carboxylic acid, a box is there. So I've taken boxer. Then sulfonic acid. So I have taken a sultan. So here anhydride hydra is ida is the name, and ester I have taken. Acid I have taken a adhalon, and amide is the name, and nitrile Nile river. So what together I said Boxer, Sultan giving training to the Haida, Esther, Adalon, and Amid are the names near Nile River. So just I have taken the name of the compounds. Next, I have taken another set: aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, thioalcohol, amines, kene, and kyne. So aldehyde, aldwin name I have taken, and ketone, keto I have taken, keto, and alcohol itself I have taken, and thiol I have taken, thanks. So thioalcohol sulfur is present, so I said thanks I take, and amine like that we can say, and kene and kyne I have taken, kema and kyma. So here Adwin went to Keto to drink alcohol and said thanks to amine and gave chicken, kema and kyma. Chicken, keema, and kyma. Next, this one is ether, alkyl halide, nitro compounds, alkane, final set. So I have taken ether bunny name. Alkyl halide I have taken Aquila and heel baby. Hot girls used to say heel baby. And nitro, nifty picnic. And halogen I have taken Helen. And alkane I have taken ankle bitter. It is a baby dog. So I'll combine all the names. Ether, bunny, and Aquila or heel baby go to nifty picnic with Helen. On the way, they hit ankle bitter. Thank you, students.